So hey everyone, I just woke up, so excuse my face. It's my waking up face. This is what I look when I wake up. But basically, for the last week or so, my sisters have been really going at it, telling me to, you know, plot my hair and see how curly it actually is because they saw a TikTok where people with like chill curly hair. They did all of these steps and they had like magical, beautiful curly hair at the end. So yeah, I thought I was gonna try and do that. So yeah, if you want to know how my hair looks, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is a very bad representation of how my hair looks, but basically because it's dirty, which is why I need to shower. But anyways, I have like these curls that do this. Basically, yeah, that's a normal curl for me. This. But yeah, anyways. Now I'm gonna pop it into the shower and I'm looking for my shampoo. Oh my god. I use like dry shampoo. There's like dry shampoo and dry conditioner. Mainly these, plastics and stuff. I don't like them. I really want to reduce my like plastic usage, so I use dry shampoo and dry conditioner. But anyways, I want to wash my hair like I normally do, and I'm gonna do is when I get up, like out of the shower, I'm not gonna wrap like a towel around my hair, and I'm not gonna brush through it outside of the shower. I'm just gonna let it be, and I'll be right back. So apparently I have to apply some kind of like curly hair concoction. I use this Pantene one. So I'm gonna apply it. I saw people doing older hair at once, some people doing it like parting it. I'm gonna part it in two. And run it like through my whole hair. Also, I saw you don't have to like go like this. You have to kind of move it outwards from your head. Apparently, that's better for your curls. I don't know. I'm just following instructions from TikTok. I know. Okay, and now apparently you just grab a shirt and go like this. I knew this trick and I did kind of this trick, but just with my hands, not with the shirt. So we're gonna see how the shirt makes it better. Okay, so I immediately noticed that if I were to let this air dry, it would come out with like beautiful curls. Well, this side, which is what I kind of normally went like this. Done. So yeah. Obviously I have to take time. It already looks super curly. I'm so happy. Okay, so I have my skincare done, like my clothes on, and what I'm gonna say is this takes time. Like I knew it would take time, but I'm just like I did the plopping and now I have to have this on my head for like an hour. Like who has an hour of their time just to be looking like this? I mean, if I had like maybe a nicer one. Okay, I think it's time for the reveal because honestly this is constricting my brain. So let's see. I hope I did. So it's still very wet. I think if I had one of those like things that you put in your like hair dryer, I don't know what they're called. that would be like a diffuser. I think they're called diffuser. Like if I were to diffuse this right now, that would be so cool. But I don't have a diffuser, so I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna wait for it to air dry, and I'll be right back. So hi, I'm back. My hair is finally dry. It took so long to dry. Like, because, okay, in all honesty, if I were to have a diffuser for like my hair dryer, that's the word, hair dryer. So if I were to have a diffuser for my air dryer, honestly, I cannot film. Okay, now that I know my words and that car alarm is no longer like just in the background, um, gonna finish what I was saying. If I were to have a diffuser for my hair dryer, then this would probably have been like a less like long process, like a shorter process mainly. But I didn't, so I had to let my hair air dry and took some time, but we're here now and I feel great. Honestly, it's like okay, I have it set like I put clips on here because I wanted it to have like a lot of volume. Which, by the way, it really does have a lot of volume. I wish my curls were like a little bit more defined, but that's just kind of also how my curls naturally are. Like they're not very defined, naturally. So I wish they were a little bit more. I feel like if I were to try with like a diffuser and maybe add some more like maybe like a mousse or something like that, then I could get them to be like nicer, more like ringlets. Uh, you know, for the first time, like this is the first time that I do like a longer process that it's not like just kind of drying my hair and hoping for the best. So I'm very, very impressed. Like my hair has not been like this big ever. Did it work? Yes. Like I guess I can make some tweaks to it and like is this everything I want for my hair? No. But given that it's the first time that I actually do it, I think I think it's good. Like yeah, it works. If you do this, you're gonna have more curls than you normally do. So yeah, it works. Is this worth it? So okay, I have like mixed feelings about this because on the one hand, I feel like I didn't do that much. Oh my god, that freaking car alarm. Okay, so I was saying, like I didn't do that much. It was just what doing this to my hair with a shirt. Okay, and then the plopping. But I was thinking because since I was letting my like hair air dry, I kind of kept that like the plopping in for a long time because I was like, yeah, I wanted to like absorb the moisture. I don't know. I kind of thought it worked like a towel. I don't know if this is just like me not understanding how plumbing works or what. I think if I make a little bit more investigation and see kind of like, okay, what's the minimum amount of time that I can plop my hair, and that combining with like the diffuser, like yeah, of course it's gonna be like a longer process than if I were to do nothing, but it's not like it's okay, you know? But then at the same time, I think, yeah, now I'm recording. Now I'm social distancing and I don't really leave my house. I don't really like go to school, which is something I would do every day. And I feel like, yeah, I have the time for this. But I kind of have to see like how this would work in like my normal
everyday kind of life, I don't know. I'm probably overthinking it. Yeah, it's worth it. Yeah. Yeah, I would say yes. Yeah, absolutely. Will I keep doing this? I think I kind of answered that. Yeah. Yeah, I will definitely keep doing it. I will get a diffuser though. That's the only thing. But mainly, it's like this freaking car. It's just like waiting for me to start talking so it can go off. But yeah, I feel like I kind of answered this. Like, I will continue doing it. And then hopefully, once life is back to normal, I will be so accustomed to doing this that I will like just do it and get a diffuser. That, yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, I was so happy because this is the thing. Like, if you've lived through the 2000s like I did, then you'll know that hair had to be straight. Like, any sort of volume to your hair was like a big no-no. No, hair must be straight. And I had a lot of like things. Like, I just had a lot of a lot of issues with my hair when I was younger. So, and they actually persisted for a lot of the time. Like, I was always trying to see how to make my hair flatter. And also the fact that like my mom has straight hair, my sisters have straight hair, my grandma has straight hair, like my aunts have straight hair. The only people with curly hair in my family are men. So I've never had someone who knew how curly hair worked. And I guess I wasn't that interested in finding it out for myself. Like, I just kept wishing I had straight hair, and I was making everything in my power to make it straight. So yeah, um, there's a lot of growth. Like, this is, I think, the first time that I'm like, okay, you know what? I want to see how curly it can get, how big it can get, how much volume I can add to my hair, and I love it. So I'm super happy. Personal growth. That's good. Accepting myself and my hair for what it is. But yeah, this was a different video, a shorter one. But I hope you liked it. If you did, like, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below. If you want to see more of this like shorter videos. I'm kind of thinking maybe I can do like a short video a week and then a bigger one. Not every week because I don't have short videos every week. I don't know. Let me know down below. And I will see y'all in the next one. Mwah. Bye!